Are you a candle or a fire? Hello, this is One Shot to the Future. Nassim Taleb wrote, "The wind extinguishes a candle and energizes a fire. Which one are you? When a crisis hits, you lose money, you get rejected, you fail. Do you die like a candle? Or do you burn brighter like a fire?" Most people look for stability. They want to be safe. But in this volatile world, safety is a myth. You don't need to be strong. You need to be anti-fragile. Beyond resilience. Let's clarify the terms. Fragile, breaks under pressure, glass. Resilient, survives pressure and stays the same, rubber. Anti-fragile, gets stronger under pressure, muscle. When you go to the gym, you tear your muscles. You stress them. And what happens? They don't just heal, they grow bigger. That is antifragility. Stop trying to be a rock that resists the waves. Be the wave itself. Use the chaos to grow. Be the Hydra. In Greek mythology, there is a monster called the Hydra. If you cut off one of its heads, 2 more grow back in its place. The more you attack it, the stronger it gets. This should be your life philosophy. When you fail, don't just say, "I survived." Say, "Good, now I have new data. I am twice as smart as before." Bankruptcy makes you a better businessman. Heartbreak makes you a deeper artist. Your wounds are not defects. They are upgrades. Don't hide in the zoo. Animals in the zoo are safe. They get free food. They are comfortable. But release them into the wild, and they die in 5 minutes. They have become fragile. Don't seek a comfortable job or a risk-free life. That is a zoo. Go into the wild. Take risks. Face the stress. That stress is the only thing keeping you alive and evolving. Next time trouble comes, smile and say, "Thank you for the fuel." In the next video, we will discuss the hardest part of the journey, the dip, when to quit versus stick. Thank you. This was One Shot to the Future.